Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Justin. I am the creator and founder of Orem and Orem.io, an AI music creating platform. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Album Studio's creator mode. In the last video, I showed you Album Studio's simple mode, the prompt option. For this video, it's going to be the custom option. So let's get started. Right now, we're at our lovely album vault. I've created some albums already. We're going to go ahead and create a new one. So the first thing we want to do is go down to our dock bar. We're going to go to Album Studios, toggle to Creator, and we have a couple options here. So we have the album title. We're going to give our album an artist or creator name. Then we have our custom options down here. We select the album type, genre, era, music style, our moods, album theme. We get down to vocals and lyrics. Select our primary vocal style. There's a singer, rapper, rap sing hybrid, group choir, male or female duo. Our language, the vocal archetype, male, female, vocal archetype, delivery style, cadence fill, content rating. And then for the consistency, the voice consistency, this is important. This is where we build our tracks, individual tracks for our album. So you can have it auto built with Miro, or you can manual build them yourselves, in which Miro builds them for you, but you can make any changes. And then we just finalize the album down here with a couple of options, how we want to finalize it. You have a couple of options down here. And then you just select one, verify with the settings, and then just generate album. So for this album, we're going to create let's do a 90s R&B type album. First thing we want to do is start with the track title. Let's go ahead and let's call it Bedroom Talk. We type in our title here. And then we're going to give our album an artist or creator name. So it's going to make something up on the spot here. Let's call it Silk J. That's our artist name. And then we get down to the album identity. Now, before we do that, you do have these quick production templates here that you can click, and which you do have some templates here that you can preload into the engine. You want to create a trap type album? You got the trap banger here, hip hop classic, a New York drill album, West Coast G funk album, R&B vibes. It's all preloaded here for you. And you have quite a few options. For our album type, we are going to select, let's go with a studio album. Want to make it sound quality. For the genre, we have a lot of options here, but we're going to go with the R&B category, and we're going to go with contemporary R&B. When you do select a genre, Miro will suggest some options for you just to best match your genre. But we're going to go to era. We do have a couple of era options here. So for this one, we are going to choose, let's go with 90s R&B and New Jack Swing. Big fan of New Jack Swing music. And then for the music style, again, we're going to go down to the R&B category. We do have some options here. I'm going to stick with the contemporary R&B. For the moods, what type of moods do we want? You can select up to 3. I'm going to go down to the romantic category. You have a couple of options here. Let's go ahead and give it a love mood, romantic mood, and let's go passionate. And then the album theme. What type of theme do you want your album to be in? You do have plenty of theme options here. We're going to stick with the love and relationship category. And we are going to go ahead and just put bedroom vibes. We get down to the vocals and lyrics. This is where we build our artist, our character. So we're going to go with singer. The language, of course, English. We want a male. And then for the vocal archetype, we are going to go down to the R&B and soul category, in which we are going to select smooth R&B male. The delivery style, how we want the lyrics, the vocals to be delivered. So we're going to go to the melodic category, and let's go ahead and choose, for randomness, silky. Let's see what that does. For the cadence fill, the feel of the voice, the feel of the character. We're going to go down to our R&B category, and we're going to go to smooth pocket. I think that's a good match. And then content rating, how dirty you want it. I'm going to keep it clean. And then voice consistency lock. This is important. This is to get that consistency. So turn on that voice consistency lock. And then for this one here, the album track planner to build our tracks. We're going to go ahead and just select auto build. I want to just have Miro build everything for me. But again, you can always go to manual build, in which you can expand each track and build them yourself. So the way it works is you give the track a title, the direction, the type of direction you want the track to go in, and then the lyrics. You can generate the lyrics with Miro, or you can write your own lyrics, or you can have Miro just auto do it. But for this video, again, I'm just going to go to auto build and have Miro generate everything for me. I'm going to do a full 7 tracks, and then I'm just going to have Miro generate. And the way it works when Miro generates is basically taking everything you've entered into the engine, all of the options that you chose into the engine. And Miro takes all of that and builds each track based on what you chose. So we just give it a second here. And then we have all of our tracks. So these are our tracks. Again, not a fan of the titles. We can always change the titles. You can always make changes. And then we finalize our album here. So we could do balance, which is a mix of tempos and moods, diverse, wide range of styles. You just read on here and just see which one best fits your album. So for me, I'm going to just choose balance. And then we just verify all the options here, make sure everything is correct before we finalize. And then we're just going to go ahead and hit generate album. All right, so our album is starting to generate. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. All right, so our album is now complete. Bedroom Talk is now done. So 2 ways we can listen. We can listen through the album previewer, or we can go to our albums page and we can listen through here. Either way, we're going to go ahead and open it up here. And then here are our tracks. So let's go ahead and listen to each one, see what we get. So let's go ahead and start off with the first one. Whispers at Dawn.
Hair still up, lip gloss, little smile you said. Slow down, come closer, let the door stay.
Let's go ahead and hear the second one, Silk Sheets.
Sliding slow, like you know the code. Moonlight on your skin, and
Let's hear the third one, Candlelit Confession.
Soft shoes by the bed, your perfume stays in the air instead. You lean in close like you know the game.
Okay, let's hear the fourth one, Late Night Conversations.
You shut the door slow and let the night lean in. My shirt on your chair, your perfume on my skin. You slide close, baby, like you've been here.
Let's hear the fifth one, Electric Touch.
Oh yeah. Stay right here. Yeah. You at my door in silk, hair still on my pillow. That look say come closer. I know it when you smile. Break glass on the counter, your name on my tongue. You move like slow trouble.
Okay. We're on a roll here. Let's go ahead and hear the sixth one, Afterglow.
Oh yeah. Stay right here. Stay right here. Silk on your pillow. Ooh, stay right here. Stay right here. Stay. You in my shirt again, bare feet on the floor. Pillow got you sitting on it. Now I want you more. Moon on your shoulders, babe.
I like how you said silk on your pillow, Silk J. Yeah, that's nice. All right, let's hear the last one, Morning Light.
Stay right here. Oh yeah. You shut the door, then the whole room changes. Perfume on your skin got me out my range, yeah. That silk on your shoulder, I'm already falling. You give me one look
Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not a bad album. That's pretty good, actually. But there you have it. That is how you build albums using Album Studio's creator mode. Again, you have the control, custom options. This is where you can build a detailed album. As you heard here, all consistent voices, full-fledged album right here, 7 tracks. Thank you all for joining me today. Thank you for watching this video, taking time out of your busy days to watch and view this video. Thank you. Have a good day.